In this video, we're going to work on a list of prices, but in this video, the prices are price per unit. So we have a list here that shows different types of chocolate and candy, and these are the prices per kilogram, okay? So if we have a problem that says how much would it cost to buy 3 kilograms of white chocolate and 5 kilograms of butterscotch. So we could see that we need to find the white chocolate and the butterscotch, okay? So they're here. So the white chocolate costs $1.86 per kilogram. And then the butterscotch is $1.47 per kilogram. So to find the price of the item, multiply the price per kilogram by the number of kilograms. That'll give you the price, just the price on its own. So the kilogram piece goes away after you multiply by the number of kilograms. Okay, so find the cost of the white chocolate and then multiply. So we can see that the price of the white chocolate is $1.86, and then we multiply by the number of kilograms we need, which is 3, and that gives us $5.58. It's just dollars now, not dollars per kilogram. So now for the butterscotch, we do the same thing. It costs $1.47, but we multiply it by 5. So it becomes $7.35. And the kilogram piece is gone now because we multiplied by the number of kilograms. Okay? So now what we do is we find the total cost by adding the two numbers. So the total cost will be the addition of 5.58 plus 7.35, and that equals 12.93. And that's it. That's the end of that lesson. And don't worry if you don't get that. You probably just need to watch the video again. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are similar if you need extra help. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this lesson, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.